And now I'm vlogging. Yo, alrighty then.
I know you hate to hear
So fabulous things. We're over at
I know.
Parrett Mountain in
Isn't it?
Tennessee. It's lovely. Don't worry about it.
I know.
Surrounded by parrots.
You're so pretty.
Oh,
You're pretty bird.
look at the pretty parrots. Look at the pretty parrots. They're wonderful. There's Belva. It's my foster mom.
Yeah.
There's Jojo. Yeah, that's a thing. So, lots of birds. It's lovely.
Oh my goodness, look how that's made. It looks like a little church. Hello, birdie. Scarlet macaw.
You'd think that there'd be more to talk about in a vlog about
I know it.
going on a mountain with parrots, me and my pimply face self, but there really isn't. I can show you the pretty birds.
Can you talk to us? Yeah. They're going to tell me my contacts are in for the third week in a row.
But anyway, yeah, birds are legitness. It's legitness. So, right now I'm on vacation. Decided to make videos and start my channel while on vacation. So, I mean, not the smartest decision that I've made, but it's a decision. Right now we're at Parrot Mountain. I think we're gonna be going to Magic West and Dollywood. That's it, Dollywood. I think this is over in Sevierville, right?
Yes, it is.
Okay, so that's a thing.
I doubt that's been done.
So yeah,
You can
lots
turn
of parrots.
the camera around too, you know.
Birds,
I think we'll turn around.
birds.
Is there anything in there?
So many birds.
Oh, sorry.
Quack,
Oh, it's so
Quack.
pretty.
quack,
Lena macaw.
quack,
My
Quack.
goodness sakes. What are you
Quack.
guys doing?
Isn't that green one beautiful?
quack, 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 quack.
I don't usually like the green ones. There's an auburn one. Orange and blue, orange and blue. So help me, if they had a purple one, it'd be mine. I'd just have to have it.
Who really cares about parrots?
This
What
one
we
I
need to
just
learn about
scratch 'em.
is this here flower.
Like the bromeliad. We gotta go look at
So
that.
interesting. So, I bet you love staring at my pimply face self. Must be lovely, really. Truly. Oh look, lovely spiderweb. You can't even see the spiderweb, I'm sorry. Oh, lovely glare.
Throw it up in here. Oh my goodness, that barbed wire's scary.
What? A barbed wire is scary? No.
Don't
No.
my phone up.
No. Looks lovely. Looks lovely. We just got done eating over at the food service on Parrot Mountain. And I got pizza. And for $4, they give you like a quarter of this little hand-sized microwavable pizza. And it was really bad. It's not $4. I mean, I get the place isn't meant for like food, you know, it's not like a fancy restaurant, but $4 for that? I'm a teenage boy. I'm like an endless, bottomless pit.
That is so cool. I've seen the plant.
Things don't work out like that. Of course, you know, things don't always. But yo, man. I'm from Florida, and up here in Tennessee, they have lots of hills and stuff that you have to climb up. Really steep ones. So, you know, I got the glutes working on. I got the glares working on.
We're gonna have some calves by nightfall. Cool.
And I got the
Y'all are pretty.
Perkits working on. Perkits, yes, Perkits. The parrots working on. One reason why, another thing to know, one reason why we kind of went here was because my foster parents last names is Parrot. So, I mean, they're kind of obsessed with parrots. So, pleasant thing to know. I'm sorry. I have my Dr. Pepper in the Coke cup. Illuminati is Dr. Pepper confirmed. Doodly 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 dun dun dun. Anyway, I don't really think that there's much else that you can really say. I should have really, I think that's what I'm going to do next one, but I really should have showed you around the cabin. We're staying in a cabin. It's a very big cabin. It looks kind of small on the outside, but it's big, trust me. And, yeah. Going down another glute working hill. It's lovely, don't worry about it. It's my friend, Mr. Parrot.
They don't run off. What's so wrong?
It's a pretty cool place over here. I'm just walking around talking to myself, and everyone's looking at me like I'm crazy. I'm not crazy. But, the parrot just said hi there. It said it just like that, too. A little bit higher pitched. A little bit. Just a little bit. But, yeah, another glute working hill. These dudes look cool.
Look at that.
They're the cool kids.
You gonna kiss?
They're talking about how ugly my pimply face is.
Give me a kiss. Look,
There you go.
You're so
That's
cute.
parrots making out. Parrots making out, yes. Anyway, I think that's it for this particular vlogging video. This is Parrett Mountain over in Sevierville, Tennessee. I think next one I'm gonna show you around the cabin, and we're going to Magic Quest in Dollywood. That's gonna be lovely. I went to Magic Quest like 2 years ago. It was amazing. But yeah, Mr. Parrot, you wanna outro me?